Okay, so it's not an SVT Lightning or a Harley Davidson, but it's still a cool truck, no? Yes? Maybe? Alright, let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1997 Ford F-150 XLT. The model is a 1/18th scale, it's manufactured by Ertl Collectibles, and it's a part of their American Muscle line. The part number is 7225, and the model was made in 1996, so this has been stored for almost 27 years. Okay, let's dig in. I found this one on eBay and it was around $35, so I didn't hesitate. I'm not the biggest fan of SUVs and pickup trucks, but I do have some favorites. I don't know how the paint job was when it was released in 1996, but looking at this one right now, it's not exactly great. This is a 10th generation F-150. The F-Series made its debut in 1948, and the first F-150 itself was introduced in 1975. The F-150 and its range are the most popular and most selling trucks of all time in the United States of America. It's common for some doors to be kinda loose on older models. All that time in storage would sometimes take its toll on diecast. This specific XLT had a 3-seat cab short bed, so it wasn't the biggest one in their lineup. Here are some F-150 trucks from the same generation. I'm not necessarily expecting incredible details from a value diecast model, but I'll take what I can get. The tan color works well with the blue exterior. Looks very spacious. This 1997 was powered by a Ford Triton 4.6-liter V8, producing 220 horsepower and 290 pound-feet of torque. There were some special edition F-150s throughout the years, with names such as the SVT Lightning, Harley Davidson, King Ranch, and of course, the SVT Raptor. Here are some pictures of this American classic. I like the small graphics, I like the color, but I'm not a fan of the chrome wheels. This model is out of production, but you can still find it on eBay, maybe other sources as well. I just saw one on eBay while looking for this one for $40 US, but auctions sometimes start as low as $20. Not a bad value if you ask me. The reason why I bought this maroon F-150 when I found it was to have something to remember a friend of mine who owned one from a different generation. Marshall was someone I worked with back in the day and had big respect for, but he was gone too soon. I just wanted to mention this because we never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. So let's use our time wisely and love the ones we're with. And that's that.